Read each question carefully. For a multiple choice question, determine the best answer to the question from the 4 answer choices provided. For a griddable question, determine the best answer to the question. Then fill in the answer on your answer document. Number 1. A computer rounded the number 129 and 257 thousandths to the nearest hundredth. What is the number rounded to the nearest hundredth? A. 100, B. 129 and 30 hundredths, C. 130, D. 129 and 26 hundredths. Number 2. Mr. Marquez had 123 eggs in a refrigerator in his restaurant. He put 32 more cartons of eggs in the refrigerator. Each carton contained 18 eggs. Which of these is the best estimate of the number of eggs Mr. Marquez now has in his refrigerator? F. 600, G. 400, H. 700, J. 900. Number 3. Rebecca is filling a cube-shaped box with small cubes. The volume of each of these cubes is 1 cubic centimeter. She has already put some of these cubes into the box, as shown in the model. 1 cube equals 1 cubic centimeter. What is the total number of small cubes that will fit in the box? A. 729, B. 81, C. 36, D. 27. Number 4. A rope was 14 3/5 inches long. Megan cut the rope into 7 pieces of equal length. What was the length of each piece of rope in inches? F. 2 5/10 inches, G. 2 3/5 inches, H. 2 5/100 inches, or J. 2 55/100 inches. Number 5. A bank received a check for $2,609.75. How is this number written in expanded notation? Number 6. Kara and Marcus shared a candy bar. The models are shaded to show the fraction of the candy bar each of them ate. What fraction of the candy bar did Kara and Marcus eat altogether? Number 7. The lengths of 2 insects are given below. Ladybug, 10 millimeters. Walking stick, 30 centimeters. What is the difference in length of these 2 insects in millimeters? A. 70 millimeters, B. 20 millimeters, C. 290 millimeters, D. 2,990 millimeters. Number 8. The table shows the time in seconds it took 4 swimmers to complete a race. Swimmer 1, 2, 3, and 4, time, seconds. Which inequality correctly compares 2 of these race times? Number 9. Scott drank 3 5/10 bottles of water yesterday. Each bottle contained 1 2/10 pints of water. What was the number of pints of water Scott drank yesterday? Number 10. Which model represents 1 2/10 divided by 3? Number 11. The table shows the high temperatures and the number of snow cones sold at a snack bar on 7 days. Snow cone sales, high temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, number sold. Which scatter plot best represents the data in the table? Number 12. Raymond used 42 cubes to build the first layer of a rectangular prism. The edge length of each cube was 1 inch. The finished prism had a total of 7 layers. What is the volume of Raymond's prism in cubic inches? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 13. Cyril put a total of 1/8 pound of gravel into 6 fish tanks. He put the same amount of gravel into each tank. How many pounds of gravel did Cyril put into each fish tank? Number 14. Mr. Anderson had 185 pieces of wood. He sold 25 pieces of wood to his neighbor and stacked the rest of the wood into piles around his house. Each pile of wood contained 40 pieces of wood. Which equation can be used to find P, the number of piles of wood Mr. Anderson made? Number 15. The ordered pairs below represent the location of 4 people. Paula is located at 7, 7. Based on this information, which statement is true? Paula is located 1 unit south and 2 units east from Nathan. Paula is located 7 units east from Wade. Paula is located 3 units south and 2 units west from Denise. D. Paula is located 6 units west from Urvasi. Number 16. Which table could represent the equation y equals 1/10 x? Number 17. Phoebe divided her rectangular vegetable garden into 3 sections, as shown in the drawing below. Potatoes, corn, carrots. The potato section is a square with a side length of 7 meters. The carrot section is a square with a side length of 5 meters. What is the area in square meters of the corn section of Phoebe's garden? Number 18. Last month, Jim drove his car 2,718 and 3/10 miles. That brought the car's total mileage to 87,416 miles. What was the car's total mileage before last month? Number 19. The stem and leaf plot shows the scores of 8 people at a dance contest. Dance contest scores. Stem, leaf. 6 line 8 means 6 8/10. What is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score? Number 20. Seth's homework assignment is to write factor pairs that contain only composite numbers. Seth wrote 4 factor pairs for the number 132, as shown below. Which set of Seth's factor pairs contains only composite numbers? Number 21. Which number line best models the expression 3 divided by 1/3? So far this month, number 22. So far this month, Nancy has the expenses and income shown in this chart. Nancy's current budget. Expenses: clothes, food, movie tickets. Income: lawn mowing, babysitting, car washing, garage sale. Nancy wants to buy some music online, but also have a balanced budget. Based on Nancy's current budget, what's the greatest amount of money she can spend on music? Number 23. Joshua compared the values of these decimals. Which statement correctly compares 2 of these numbers? Number 24. The table shows the population of 3 Texas counties. The population of Gray County is missing. County, population: Anderson, Dallas, Brazos, Gray. The population of Gray County is 35,553 less than the population of Anderson County. What is the combined population of these 4 counties? Number 25. At a clothing store, Zoe bought 2 shirts for $7.25 each and 2 pairs of jeans for $24 each. She used a coupon for $10 off the total price of the clothes. The discounted price of the clothes Zoe bought can be found using this expression. What is the discounted price in dollars and cents of the clothes Zoe bought? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Go to the second video for the rest of the problems.